So, hello, Bhumika. Good afternoon.
Good
How are
afternoon.
you?
Fine.
So, for my individual assignment on society and culture, I will be on the topic attention to mental health and the well-being among youth of India. So, I will be taking your interview. So, I'm going to ask some question, and if you find any question uncomfortable and if you don't want to answer, please you can say no.
Okay.
So, the first question is, what kind of mental or emotional stress have you experienced since joining the PGDM program?
I don't think I have it currently because I'm currently in first year. I don't feel it, but I do have anxiety over what will be like the situation when I will come to second year. So currently I'm doing fine.
Okay. So, what are the major source of stress for you? I mean, like academic or placement or family expectation or social pressure or peers among around you?
I think it's not social pressure, as to say, but it's a mind making the social pressure come in place. Thankfully, my family and everyone is really supportive. They don't like, they just say, do your best. And they don't have any, at least they don't put expectations forward. So I don't have that, but I think placements, even you don't think so, like you say, I don't have any anxiety or any stress over placement, you will have it.
Yeah, of course. So, how do competition, performance pressure, or comparison with peers affect your mental well-being?
It does, it does, when you compare, you always feel like you do feel, you may feel inferior or like superior. I think you, when you see your position, like you always compare. So I do feel like they do feel performance or pressure for comparison, summer placements are going on, so many of the students are placed. I'm currently not placed like for internship, so that you do feel it, but like you have to cope up with it.
Okay. So, how do you ever felt anxious? Have you ever felt anxious, overwhelmed, or emotionally exhausted during this course?
uh, yes, when things pile up, like currently we do have, like we don't know the dates of like exams when they are coming up, and assignments are piling up due to gravity. Like all the teachers didn't give us any assignments, so we do have like multiple assignments and quizzes that are pending. And also the fact that exams can be preponed is already making me anxious and making me lose my sleep. So it's
Okay.
there.
So, how do you usually deal with the stress or emotional pressure? I mean, are you like to go with your friend or something?
I do talk to my brother a lot.
Okay.
I literally talk to him like 4 times a day. Like he's my one source of like de-stressing.
Okay.
So I don't do that with my parents, so as to say, just because I feel like they will get bored, maybe bothered, or maybe
Yeah.
just so mainly it's family.
Okay. So, are you aware of any mental health support system provided by your institute?
I do, but I don't trust it. That's what to say.
Okay.
Like
Not
it's
everyone
more
can do
like
that, of course.
I don't feel comfortable telling my situation to
To anyone,
strangers,
yeah.
like so. I
But
do know
they are
there's
the counselor.
counseling,
They
but I
have.
do know there are procedures in place that they will not tell your situation or anything. But I don't feel comfortable in it, so I don't use that.
Okay. So, what role do peers, group, or batchmates play in helping you cope with stress?
They do. Thankfully, I do have a great roommate. She and I like have these 1 or 2 hour long sessions where we all do is complain. Like at the end of the day, it really de-stresses me. So peers and matchmates are like, they do really help.
Okay. So, what prevents students from openly discussing mental health issues on campus? What do you think? What are the reasons behind?
I think if someone has not experienced the issue, they could just say, just be happy, don't stress about it. I have listened to it from my batchmates, like, why you're taking so much tension over it? You are just like, nothing will happen. But like, you can't really control your own mind. It's like you can't really control your own thoughts, so it prevents you from telling I'm thinking I'm okay.
So, what do you think? What role business school should play in promoting mental well-being among the students?
Uh, they could be the only thing they could say that's like they could be more like open or maybe a little more awareness that it's okay, you can be you can be sad, it's okay not being fine every time, like
Okay.
not everyone copes the same, I think.
Mhm. But what support do you think they can provide? I mean, in different ways, like providing this counselor or the like our college is providing the mental health sessions as day before tomorrow, yesterday. I think.
They do come 3 days a week, I think.
Yeah.
I have a friend who has already discussed her problems with her, but so I think it's from like a student to student perspective. They are already providing it. A more they can do is like the word of mouth can be a little better. That it will be okay. There's nothing like.
Okay. Thank you so much for
Oh,
making. Thank you for your contribution.